The catalog is Protocol's built-in compound library. 49 peptides and research compounds organized by category with dosing data, cycling recommendations, common uses, and research notes for every entry. This is where you come to discover what's out there and decide what to track next. Search by name at the top or filter by category. Categories include healing, weight loss, growth hormone, cognitive, cosmetic, immune, and hormone. So whether you're looking for recovery compounds, GLP-1 options, or nootropic peptides, you can filter down to exactly what you need. Tap a category to filter. Here's the cognitive category. 6 compounds, all tagged with cycling recommendations. Each card shows the compound name, category, a short description, dose range, frequency, and use case tags. You can see at a glance whether cycling is recommended before you even tap in. Switch to weight loss and the list updates instantly. Protocol covers the full range of what the community is actually using: GLP-1s, metabolic compounds, and research molecules that get discussed in peptide circles but rarely show up in mainstream health apps. Tap any compound to open its full detail page. For cerebrolysine, you get typical dosing range, frequency, half-life, and administration route. Below that, the cycling recommendation: 4 weeks on, 4 weeks off, with clinical context on what that looks like in practice. Common use tags let you cross-reference what the compound is typically used for. The notes section surfaces important practical information. In this case, that cerebrolysine is a pre-mixed solution requiring no reconstitution, administered IM or IV, and is an approved drug in over 40 countries, though not FDA approved. This kind of context is exactly what you need before adding something to a protocol. 2 buttons at the bottom. Add to my inventory takes it straight into your active tracking stack. Add to my catalog saves it for reference without adding it to your inventory yet. Useful for compounds you're researching but not ready to run. Tap View PK curve to see the pharmacokinetic profile. This shows estimated blood concentration over time based on published parameters. Select 1, 4, 8, or 12 doses to model how the compound accumulates with repeated dosing. Toggle between simplified decay and daily dosing views. The data table below the chart shows peak concentration, time to peak, trough, and average, the kind of detail that helps you think about timing and dosing intervals with more precision. And Bob is available on every compound page. Ask about side effects, stacking options, half-life, or anything else. The research assistant pulls from the literature and gives you a structured answer scoped to that specific compound. Hit Add to my catalog right from the chat without going back to the detail page. The catalog isn't limited to injectable peptides. 5-amino-1-MQ is a small molecule NN-MT inhibitor, not technically a peptide, but commonly used alongside peptide stacks for metabolic support. It's oral, cycling is recommended at 8 weeks on and 4 weeks off, and protocol surfaces the notes clearly. Research compound, oral capsule form, commonly tracked alongside peptides. This is what makes the catalog more than a reference list. It covers the full picture of what serious health optimizers are actually running, and gives you the structure to track all of it in one place. 49 compounds and growing. Whatever you're running, Protocol has the research to back it up and the tools to track it properly. Download Protocol at protocolapp.health and find out why thousands of health optimizers and peptide users choose Protocol to be their primary tracking app.